Hi everyone! This video is about how to add parameters to the report. Let's get started. Parameters mean filters for your report, filters for rows, columns and data. Now in this report you can see two parameters, scenarios and calendar, and we can change the mark and see changes in the data and columns. Let's add that parameters for this report without parameters. Open constructor, go to the columns tab, click scenarios dictionary, push this button, add two parameters, link to parameters scenarios, delete the first filter, and on the parameters tab, we can see this view parameter and its properties like name, type, maybe empty, active, multiple mark, linked dictionary, and default value. And now we can see this parameter and we can change it. Great. Let's add the second parameter, calendar. Do the same things. Add two parameters, link to parameter calendar. On the top parameters, we can see this parameter calendar, and we can mark multiple mark, and we can change default value 2021 and months. Done. Great, we can see two parameters and we can change the mark, add some new items. Yeah, great, it's ready. Now we will add some different parameters to the report employees. For example, for start date, we can filter our table by start date. In the rows, we can see the employees dictionary and its attributes on the columns tab. And on the parameters tab, we can add new parameter, set the name. For example, start date from, select type, date, and default value. Okay, great. Go to the rows tab and add the filter for attribute start date, condition greater than or equal, parameter, and parameter start date from. Done. And now we can see that our table was filtered by parameter. We can change the mark of the parameter and we can see all employees. And now we can add new parameter, for example, department. On the parameters tab, we can drag and drop departments dictionary. Okay. We can mark multiple mark and select all like default value. On the rows tab, we can add additional filter, condition, and for the attribute position, it's attribute department, in collection, parameter, departments identifier. Great. And let's change the default value for start date from parameter. For example, this mark. And now we can see all employees. And we can select just one department, and we can see employees just from this department.